Yep. Whole row of trees if you want. Yep. 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 The whole row of trees today to do. Cut down to edge level if we have time. And we've got a super old cherry picker up there if we need it. Soil work started this morning, so that was good. Zach said he's up there if you need it. So yeah, should be good. This one's here is a bit interesting. Got to put a power line here. Yep, Jesse's not coming back. So anyhow, let's get started. Right. Yeah. Hey Zach, do you want to come down and help Jesse pull? Hey, what I want you to do, maybe, wrap it around the bottom of that tree so you can pull harder. So if you come, put the rope around like that, pull out, it'll help you pull harder. Just that one, yeah, closest to you there. Yep. Yep. Oh, the one in front of that. Yep. Wrap it around that. Don't like, no, other direction. So then it's just like, it's not wrapped all the way around, just goes around behind it, you know what I mean? It acts like a block, and then you can cinch it real tight and you just keep pulling and pulling. Yeah. So keep the weight on it, keep pulling. Yep. Yeah, that's okay. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Don't let go, okay? Nicely done. Thanks, guys. No, that was good. All good? I was slightly, yeah, I was slightly nervous about that one. I kind of cut through the scarf there, the hinge. You see it slide off a bit before it went? Yeah. That's what you're not supposed to do. Okay. Now I need to be in that tree. How am I supposed to get my rope over there? I don't know. Generally you don't. Oh, yep. Yeah, just along the back there, yep. Not quite what I was hoping for with that. Where are you, Jesse? Could you have a look at this branch to see whether it's going to hit the power lines, please? What I need to know is if I do this whole head and just send it kind of your way, can you look underneath the power lines? Is it going to hit it? About that far? Okay. So if I just send it that way, it'll be good. So you have to move the stuff again. Are you connected? Yep, okay. So it'll be good sending it that way? Okay, so it'll just sort of land somewhere in there. Okay, cool. Yep. Awesome. Well, I will do that then. that on your pole good enough for you? On the pole good for you? Perfect. Yeah, I will do my best. Yeah. If this one comes straight down where it is, it's gonna hit tail, I know. Because of the length. See, when you're like this, when you come down, it's yeah, trying to angle it towards the. Yeah, I don't want to take the risk. When you're done with Zach, I'll use the rigging rope. You reckon? If I just... Okay. Cool. Might come out of a few. Might come out of a few. I'll make sure I video it. Your predictions, bro, were perfect. Thank you for the assistance. You have upgraded to level 2. Level 2. Hey, that went so perfectly. You should see the things it pulled, the pieces of wood it pulled out. kind of worked. Let's go in between that. Yes, unfortunately, it was supposed to go in between there. Popping up now. Done here. Jesse's doing a good job of cleaning up. Let's see Zach do this last one. Should be a good one. Hey, nice big belly there. Perfect. Good one, Zach. How are we going, Jesse? That's good. I'll help you in a second. Yep, I made a bit of a mess, eh?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Couldn't do much else. Huh? Bit blunt. Yep. But I'm gonna go, there you go, slightly underneath, because then I can have double time 0.1 knot to the tree. A bit safer that way. Okay, here we go then.
That one up the
don't know, but it's down. Oh, they hung up.
well, that's
Yeah, missed the tree.
Yep.
Put a wedge in just so it doesn't come back. Nicely done. Yep, but we did it. Good job, guys.